Hang 10, Riding the Waves of English Phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of surfing to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, hang 10. Ever heard of it? Whether you're a beach bum or a city dweller, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Hang 10 is deeply rooted in surfing culture. The term originated from the act of a surfer extending all 10 toes over the front edge of their longboard while riding a wave. In this position, the surfer is balancing with the toes hanging over, hence the name. Imagine you're watching surfers on a beach. If someone is able to balance with all 10 toes over the nose of their board while riding a wave, they're hanging 10. It's a challenging maneuver, showcasing the surfer's skills and balance. Over time, like many phrases, hang 10 has taken on a broader meaning beyond the literal surfing move. In casual conversation, it might be used to tell someone to relax or chill out. For instance, if someone says, "Just hang 10," they're probably asking you to calm down or take it easy. To help you better grasp its use, here are a couple of examples. 1. I saw this amazing surfer hang 10 on a massive wave yesterday. 2. Hey, don't stress about the presentation. Just hang 10 and do your best. So, the next time you hear someone talking about hanging 10, you'll know they might be referring to an epic surf move or simply suggesting to take a chill pill. We hope this dive into the phrase, hang 10, has been enlightening. Remember, language is an ever-evolving ocean, and there are always new waves or phrases to ride. Stay curious and keep learning.